Hey guys, in this new video, today I'll be working on my 2005 Honda Accord LX 2.4 liter V4 engine, and I'll be doing a before and after using Valvoline Restore and Protect. My car has 313,806 miles as of recording this video on April 7, 2026. My car has been making a rattling noise for a while now, and I've done everything to fix it. And I want to try out using this new Valvoline Restore and Protect oil I've seen online. The oil states, reduction in piston and ring deposits, improve fuel efficiency and power output, decreased engine noise and smoother operation, and lower wear on critical engine components. It says it is recommended to replace the oil and the filter every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but I'm planning to do it every 4,000. One more? Ready? Yeah. So as you can see, I have the oil filter. This is from the first Valvoline Restore and Protect. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. What you're gonna use, and make sure you have something to catch the oil, a rag. This is what I'm gonna use to open it. You can find this on Amazon for pretty cheap. Some gloves if you like, and a knife to cut the filter. Make sure you're careful when you're doing that. So we're gonna put it on, and we're just gonna start tightening and just rotating it. And there you have it. See, as we removed it, it's now disconnected. Be careful around the edges. It is sharp. I feel like you can wear a glove. I don't see much of anything. Pour some out. I don't see any like giant chunks. Oh, there's a little bit back there if y'all can see. Camera doesn't want to focus. There you go. I see there's some little bit, not a lot. There you go. It's a little bit. Here's the actual filter. Probably let this, if you like, to sit down, like let the oil rinse out for a little bit, and we can start cutting. So to cut it, you just take the knife and you just go along the edges on both sides. And as you can see the little black spots that are still on the filter. I'm guessing that's what the oil is cleaned out and what the oil filter is caught. Okay.